How to successfully back up entire iPhone to iCloud. This is very simple, guys. Tap on settings button. Now tap on your name here. Tap on iCloud. So if there is green here, it means it's good. If it's red, then it means there's problem somewhere else here. You can see that this indicates green, then the iCloud setting is okay. Now to manually back it up, not to back up your entire iPhone on iCloud, tap on this iCloud backup button. Now this button is off. Before you turn it on, make sure that you have access to the device here. If your device is not here, just tap on it and remove that device from your phone by tapping on this delete backup option. But if you are very sure of what is here, then go ahead and tap on this button on. Then it comes up like this. Just wait a bit, guys, and follow the screen process to back up your data on iCloud. If you enjoyed this tip and don't subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.